Waziri bonsi ase umuwaziri omonene gusoma Prime Cabinet Secretary abakago tigarabisi nabo igo omokonyi bomurai wense arutasate babuna nigo arache kwenekia abuna samatkari bose ose ase egetamukiro yokubwatani ago chia kurigereria abarai bari barabe bakubwatirana nera nabo igo gokonyana aso kwenekia abuna amagendro aberiga gokoreka imeyense ya Kenya.
Listening keenly to what the people of Kenya have said, and after a holistic appraisal of the performance of my cabinet and its achievements and challenges, I have today, in line with the powers given to me by Article 1521 and 1525B of the Constitution and Sections 12 of the Office of the Attorney General's Act, decided to dismiss with immediate effect all the Cabinet Secretaries and Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, of the Cabinet of Kenya, except the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs. And of course, the Office of the Deputy President is not affected in any way. I will immediately engage in extensive consultations across different sectors and political formations and other Kenyans, both in public and private, with the aim of setting up a broad-based government that will assist me in accelerating and expediting the necessary, urgent, and irreversible implementation of the program that we have, including other radical measures and programs to deal with the burden of debt, to explore raising domestic resources and revenues, expanding job opportunities, eliminating wastage and unnecessary duplication of a multiplicity of government agencies, and slaying